To fix the connection problems on Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro, first of all, make sure that you've downloaded a proper MyFitness app, and the best way to do it is to open your Google Play Store and then look for MI Fitness. And the app should look like this. The producer is named right here. When you have that app, we can open it. Then on our smart band, what we can do is during the first setup, choose a language, and then on the bottom you will find the reset. And sorry, I've picked the wrong language. And then we'll find the reset. Make sure to reset your device and confirm it. Then you will need to pick a language again, and we can move to the connecting process. Okay, so let's set it in English. And now when we can focus on our phone, make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled. Just like that. You can enter Bluetooth settings as well, and then make sure that any other devices with similar name like Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro are forgotten. I have no device currently connected or ever connected, so I don't need to do that. Then we can go back to the MyFitness app, select a device. You can go for a scanner, which will allow you to scan this QR code with your phone camera, and it may work if the first option, which is add device, doesn't work. But anyway, let's move with add device, and right here you should be able to find your smart band. And if your smart band doesn't want to turn on, make sure to charge it as well. And now in the process of adding it, we'll need to confirm the code from this screen and from this screen. So let's pair it like that. And then on some of the smartphone devices, you may see a pop-up on the top asking if you want to connect a new Bluetooth device. Make sure to confirm it. If you don't see it, you can check the notifications bar and then see if there's a notification like that as well. Also, make sure to agree and then click on done, continue, and our device should be successfully connected. Here we have it.